Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide active status on Facebook. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to simply launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook. Now you have to scroll down and look for the gear icon, or shall we say settings. Okay, scroll down, go to settings and privacy, and then tap settings. Okay, so tap this one, tap settings again. And then you have to scroll down, look for audience and visibility, and then tap active status. Now you just have to toggle this one off or turn this one off. Your friends and connections can see when you're active. So you have to turn this one off, tap turn off, so that people or your friends can see if you are online or not. So you won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this profile. So when your friends or others can't see that you're active online, also you can see them if they are active or not. So if you want to see them active on Facebook, you just have to go back to settings, look for audience and visibility, tap active status, and turn active status on. That's how easy it is. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.